Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the over-the-wire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 19. And here is the description for this level. The password for the next level is stored in a file readme in the home directory. Unfortunately, somebody else has modified this script or this file bashrc. As you know, bashrc or short for bash read command is the configuration for Linux shell environment. And so whenever a terminal is loaded and this file will be executed. So because of this modified bashrc, we will be logged out automatically. So I think what we are going to do is to bypass such, the restriction implemented by this modified bashrc. However, before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Linux VM. And next, we can SSH to the target as before. And I'd like to auto-complete this command to save time of this video. As before, I specified the username of the current user and followed by the @ and host name. Of course, sometimes, especially when we do the the immersion or gathering information about the target, sometimes we will not specify the username. We just want to specify the host name and port number. Let's press enter. As you can see, now this time we got the, by default local user would be the username to log in to the or SSH to the target. But this is what I'm going to point out. I just want you to know sometimes we can, without specifying the username, and we can get some information from the target. Okay, so now let's go back and let's press enter. As before, we must explicitly specify this port number because this port number or 1220 is not default by SSH service. So now we can, as you can see here, it's asking us to supply the password for the current user. No problem. We can paste from clipboard because I've already made a copy to the clipboard. Although, as you can see here, we are logged into the target and a lot of information is returned back from the target machine. Welcome to this machine and blah blah blah, playing the games. However, we see this information or these words bye-bye. Collection is closed. So the reason is that this bashrc lock us out immediately or automatically. Okay, so how to do? Next, I'd like to show you two approaches. The first one, we can directly execute commands when we SSH to the target. Let me show you what I mean. For example, we can run command like ls. Even we can put the option of AALH. Okay, press enter. And we can supply the password again. As you can see, we got all content or all files and directories from the home directory of this user, Bandit 18. And the readme is this file, or this file contains the password for the next level. So how to retrieve this file is very easy. We just change the command to cat readme. Let me hit again, and we need to supply the passwords. All right, as you can see, we successfully retrieve the password for the next level. So far, I have already demonstrated the first approach. Maybe, I hope this video can share something very useful, even unexpected for you. Okay, so next, I'd like to show you the second approach. We can use the option of the -t of the SSH to specify the sudo. Maybe I can show you. We can use the main, and let's scroll down. Yeah, this one. -t option force sudo terminal allocation. I think you have already, if you have already followed my channel, you know that I have already used this option a lot throughout my channel. When uh, when I was dealing with the restrict shell or restrict bash, okay. So how to do? We can use the option of T and followed by the terminal type shell rather than bash. We can hit enter. So this will force the SSH to use different environment variable. So now we can press enter, and then we need to supply the password again. As you can see, we are not forced to log out, which is great. So now we can run a command like ls, and then we can retrieve the readme without any issue. Okay, so I think I've already to quickly recap, I've already used two approaches to get the password for the next level. The first one is the run command directly in the SSH when we SSH to the target. And second way is to set the option of T to use the sudo terminal, okay, allocation. So now I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.